Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start by powering down and removing power sources. This protects components. Once unplugged, wear an anti-static strap and remove the battery if possible. Next, unscrew exterior panels in a logical order, keeping screws grouped and labeled. Use a spudger to release clips gently so nothing snaps. As you open the palm rest area, take photos of cable layouts and connector orientations. This saves time later. By the end of this step, you should have clear access to the keyboard assembly and documented reference photos. Now you will remove the keyboard itself, locate the ribbon cable and flip the ZIF latch or slide the connector tab to release it. Carefully lift the keyboard out, noting any foam padding or brackets. Position the replacement keyboard and guide its tabs into the chassis cutouts so it sits flush. This prevents pinched cables. Reinsert the ribbon fully and lock the latch. Before reassembling the case, reconnect power and boot to test key response so you can fix any misalignment immediately. Finish by reversing disassembly. Align palm rest, press clips back, and replace screws in their labeled groups. Reconnect the battery last. Once assembled, boot and run the built-in keyboard test or type in a text file to verify. If keys are unresponsive, power down, reopen, and reseat the ribbon. Make sure the ZIF latch is fully engaged and the cable isn't creased or torn. If problems persist, try an external USB keyboard to determine if the issue is hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.